Want to export your ESPN Fantasy Football roster to a spreadsheet? Here's how to do it. First, open the ESPN Fantasy website or launch open the ESPN app on your device. Now, make sure to log into your account. Then, tap on My Team. Once you get here, tap on the roster section. From your roster view, look for the export or download option, usually found near the roster table or under More Options menu. Click it and choose Export to CSV or Excel format. Once downloaded, open the file in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet application. You'll see all your players' position and stats neatly organized, making it easy to track your roster or analyze matchups. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.